Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your American Express account from the Amex app. So to do that, first of all, download and open the Amex app on your mobile device. Now you can download this app from either your Play Store or your App Store. Now once you've opened the app, you'll directly be taken to this type of page where in order to log in, it'll basically provide you two different options. So you can either enter your credentials over here, such as your user ID, and then once you enter your password and then tap on the option login, you will be successfully logged into your American Express account. But if you already set up your account and also set up biometrics, you can simply choose your biometrics to log into your account. So since I'm using my iPhone, I can simply tap on this option right over here, and then it'll directly prompt me to my Face ID, which will then directly log into my account. But if you're using some other phones which use other types of biometrics, such as your fingerprint or such, you can simply do those and log into your account as well. So for now, I'll simply enter my user ID and my password. And once you tap on the option login, you'll have successfully logged into your American Express account. So that is basically how you log in or sign into your Amex account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.